Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see a live demo of audiences targeting, which we can do on the LinkedIn Ads platform. So once you're inside the campaign settings, let's go inside the campaign settings. Under the location targeting segment, you will be able to see audience targeting as well. So as you can see, who is your target audience? And this is where you can have audiences section as well, which is going to be your audience. So if you see a difference, a stark difference between audiences and audience attributes. Audience attributes, which we saw so far, has been the LinkedIn audience, right? Which LinkedIn has created over a period of time, and they've created different segments of it, and you can target people from there, which we looked at, like company, demographics, education, job experience, interest, and traits. These are all the people who have created a LinkedIn ads account and LinkedIn account, and because of which LinkedIn has their audience data, and that is what you get to target in audience attributes. But when we talk about audiences, this is your audience in the sense people who interacted with your website, people whose email ID, password, or email ID or contact details you have collected over a period of time, people who are similar to your audience who usually interact with your website. So all those kind of audiences we can target from audiences section. So as we spoke in the previous videos as well, list upload is the list of all the contact list of the people who interacted with you, or company list, which you can upload over here. Lookalike audience, we talked about this as well, which is an audience which is similar to the kind of audience which interacts with your websites. So if you have any audiences already created, you can add lookalike audience from there. Predictive, as we spoke about this, it's a AI-based audience targeting where LinkedIn AI will try to look for audiences who are very similar to the kind of audiences which usually interacts with our website, interacts with our ads. Retargeting will be a feature where you can retarget people who are engaging with our company page, or having a conversation with us, or let's say looking at a document, people who are filling up a form, we can follow them with our LinkedIn ads. And then we talked about the third party segment as well, where a marketing partner will be integrated and we will be getting audiences from there to target. So these are going to be the audiences targeting, which you can do, which are your audiences, which you have created, you have built over a period of time, which we can also target with our LinkedIn ads. I hope this makes sense and you understand the major difference between audiences and audience attributes. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.